Make sure that you have scissors that can cut through fabric and whatever t-shirts you plan on cutting. I picked my bright colors up from Walmart for $3, or you could try red, white, or even blue for the 4th of July. So we're just gonna start off by cutting a strip of the shirt, and you can do this as wide as you would like to. I also found that the wider the shirt is, the better fitting it is on your head. So I'm using a size extra large in men's. So you just want to take that strip and put it into a figure 8. And then you're just gonna fold it over like so, and you have the perfect turban headband, and you barely had to pay anything for it. So I'm just gonna show you again on a flatter surface so you can get a better view of what I did to make my turban. And I did end up cutting off that tag, so don't even worry about it.